Welcome, ladies and gents. It's your boy MikeOfAllTrades. Yeah, it's been a while. Yo, happy 2021 or 2020 Prestige Level 1, however you want to look at it. It's been a while, but you know what I mean? We're back and we're going to get back to the videos. Today, what I have for you today is an unboxing of the Xbox Series 2 Elite controller. So, you guys know I have an Xbox One. Xbox Series X, I said Xbox One, Series X, and yeah, I'm just gonna be real. Like I said before, when I was comparing the PS5 and the Elite, not the Elite controller, but the DualSense, and yeah, this ain't it. You know what I mean? So, you know, we had to take it upon ourselves to get something that's more top tier. So, if you like to see, make sure you smash the like button, sub to the channel, all that good stuff. You know what I mean? So, is Elite is the front? Is the side of it? You know what I mean? Elite Wire Controller Series 2, interchangeable D-pads, buttons, knobs, you know. It's an upgraded version of the first series controller, which was pretty good, but mine kind of broke. So, you know, whatever. These are $180. If you haven't got one, you probably should while you can. So we're gonna open it up. Yo, shout out to Microsoft. The same thing with the Series X, where they're making the pull tabs, you know, like Apple. I don't do Apple products, but you know. Okay, so there's a tab right here too. Pull that one. So it's official. It's not going back to the store now. All right, let's see. How do you open? Do you open this way or your chat? Here you go. Y'all get the first look. First look. Okay. Struggle bus is real today. It's going off the top, and it's like yo, you're trying to get somebody a dress, and there we go. So that's what's in the box. I'm put it on top of my Series X. That's what's in the box. Oh, it's just a pouch. Is there anything else in there? This one's controller. Let's see. Obviously, it's a controller. Anything else inside here? Anything under? Or oh, there's something on the bottom of it. So there's literature and what I'm assuming is a cable. You know what I mean? Let's put this over here. So let's look at the boring stuff first. The literature, right? Anything important in here? Let's see. So what we have in here is Elite Series 2 pamphlet. It's probably a quick start guide. Is it really a quick start guide? Hold on, let me not show this. You know, if this were Capcom, we couldn't show this stuff. But yeah, it's all functionality stuff. There's a pamphlet. Oh, and there's a code in here for Game Pass Ultimate that you guys can't see because it's a 14-day trial, so that's pretty cool. They're giving codes away and controllers, so that's pretty sweet. Okay, what's next? Let's go with this right here, which, like I said, I'm pretty sure it's a braided cable. Yeah, it's braided. It's a really good, like, quality cable. I mean, so braided, good stuff. Let's put that to the side. Let's get to the piece de la resistance. Yo, sorry for anybody who's viewing this that might be French. Sorry. All right, so let's wait. What is this thing on the back? Wait, is this thing charge? Wait a minute, hold on. I was gonna open this thing, right? And there's like a flap right there. Yo, wait, is this gimmick chargeable? I didn't even look. All right, hold on. Let's open it up real fast. Ooh, and there it is. Yo, look at it. Look at it. Hold on, we've got so. Yeah, the paddles are on the back and stuff, you know. Yeah, this is rechargeable. Holy crap. I had no idea it was rechargeable. Okay. Yo, so, you know what I'm saying? Oh, and look, so unlike the other Elite controller, there's like three trigger stops. So, you know what I mean? So so it stops right there, and then you can adjust it down again, and yeah, like that's crazy. And there's some on both sides too. So, I mean, if you're in your FPS stuff, you know, it's great. Let's see, but we'll fix those up. Like I said, the paddles on the back if you want to assign them to buttons and stuff, you know. It looks really good. It feels really good. Yeah, it's freaking rechargeable. Wait, so are these still magnetic? Oh, so these still come off? Yeah, you know what I'm saying? They still come off. So that's the controller. Also in here, it looks like we get so there's more inserts, and what is this? Is a key. Oh, so I guess you can use this to adjust the dead zone for the joysticks. I heard about this, and that's pretty cool. We've got 2 caps for the sticks. There's a dome. Why they only give 1 dome is beyond me, you know what I mean? And then the D-pad. So if we wanted to take that off, you know, the cool, you know what I'm saying, put this in, we can do that. The cool thing about the Elite controllers is that, like, you know, they're so interchangeable, you know, and that's, you know, so there it is, the D-pad. We could switch the sticks up. There's various sticks of various heights and lengths in here. There's short sticks. There is a long stick. That's what she said. But there's a long stick too. Yeah, and so that adjusts the dead zone. So let's see if we can mess with that real fast. So, okay, how does this get used though? So, oh, there it is. So it slides right into that little hole right there. So if you look, you see that it slides into the hole, and we can. Oh, look at that. We can turn it and adjust the dead zone. Look at that. Yo, that's a W right there. That's definitely a W. You know, the Xbox controllers are notorious for dead zones. So, you know, there's that. But yeah, so wait a minute. So then how do we use the dock? So this just came out, and this is the charging brick base of it, I'm assuming. Yeah, so you can leave it in the controller or plug it in, but it sits right there, and it just charges inside of there. So that's pretty cool. Like, we can close it up, and we can essentially stick this braided cable in the back of the controller, and boom, it's freaking, yeah, it's charging, and it just slid in. It slid in smooth too, like connection and everything. So yeah, that's pretty freaking awesome. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys have been around the channel for a while, you would have seen that I got a suggestion from one of my followers and streamer friends, you know what I mean, Critical Hill Koala, who suggested that I buy the Fusion, you know, and I did an unboxing and everything of it. Okay, so this is a Fusion, for you guys who don't remember, you know what I mean, and you know, it's comparable, you know what I mean, it's good for what it is. For $80, it's good for what it is, but it ain't this. Like, I could already tell you, like, just touching it, you know, the build quality's better on this, you know, and then, you know, the sticks and the removable face plates and everything, and, you know, trying to emulate the, you know, the paddles on the back with this thing, that's cool and everything, but you know, at the price point, like I said before, and like I said in my video, at the price point, it's good. $80, you know, get it. But you know, I need that. I need this. Not only do I need it, you know, and that controller works on the Xbox One and the Series X or whatever, but this is gonna get us through PC. Like, also, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's like texturized grips on there, texture and stuff. If we get the light stop tripping, there it is. You know what I mean? Yeah, texturized grips and stuff, and yeah, it's great. It's Type C, so you don't even have to put in the base. You can just plug it in and everything else. It feels really good in the hands. Like, literally, like, it feels really good in the hands. I'm excited to play some games with this. Probably gonna play a lot of PC stuff and some Series X stuff, you know. Anyway, yo, that's the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that like button if you're way out. Yo, let me know, have you picked up a Series 2 Elite controller? Are you planning on getting one? If you got a Series X, I would recommend getting one, because like I said before, this ain't it. like literally this and this, apples to oranges, legitimate apples to oranges. So you know what I mean, I would definitely recommend this. Anyway, make sure you like, subscribe, I mean, comment below, because comments are good for YouTube. Thank you guys for watching. I'm MikeOfAllTrades, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Later. Hey, you who stuck around to the end of the video, I appreciate you. Here, have this code. Appreciate you sticking around.